It sounds like a textbook case of the Beam Team Mega Beam hiccups. Try this, the old Beam Team Hiccup Cure. You pinch your nose while you drink some water. Maybe a spoonful of honey will do the trick. Whoa! Don't worry. I've been getting Mega Beam hiccups for years. I know every remedy in the book. Beam alert! Everyone move! On the double! Oh, looks like that goat is up a tree again.
Again? How does it even get up there in the first place? Hiccups or not, that goat needs saving. Time to shine! I'm coming for you, Pickles. Ow. I'm okay.
She's gonna need a boost.
Oh, calm down. We don't have time for this. Pickles, you come down from there. Seriously? Hang on. I'll get you down safe. No. Pickles, stay.
I've got you covered, Starbeam.
Boost, she's afraid, and I can't get to her. Bubble Beam, blast! Pickles! Okay, thanks, Starbeam. But can I have my goat back now? Of course.
What's going on?
I got it. Hey. Why won't my bubble pop?
Let me check my Senso scanner. Looks like your hiccups, plus the bubbles in the drink, combined with your Bubble Beam powers to make your bubbles super sticky and super hard to pop.
It's stuck to the ground. Pickles! Oh no. Boost, follow me in the Super Sea Speeder. We've got to get that goat.
Roger that, Starbeam. Gramps! I need the Sea Speeder.
I thought you'd never ask. You're gonna need a navigator. Punch it! No, fiddlesticks.
Boost, I'm gonna try again to pop the bubble. Make sure you catch Pickles.
Roger that, Starbeam.
What? Okay, Starbeam, you can do this. Take a moment, take a breath, make a plan, and try your best. That's it! I just have to work with my hiccups!
Starbeam, hurry! They're heading far out to sea!
I'm on my way. Do you have any more mango, raspberry, giggly, bubbly licious?
You know I do.
Great! Be right there! Thanks! I'm gonna use my hiccups to power up my superpowers! Just make sure you stay under Pickles. on, Hiccup. Where are you when I need you? Wait for it. Wait for it. Double beam blast!